How to add video to Instagram Note. Instagram has implemented a new update for the Note feature. Today, I'll show you how to add a video to your Instagram Note. Open the Instagram application. Click on the chat icon in the top right corner. Just below the search field, you'll find Your Note option. Click on it. To add a video to the Note, click on the camera. Click on camera icon again. When you're ready to record, click on the blue button. Keep your finger on the button as long as you're recording the video. Note that you can only use the front camera of your phone. The length of the video is limited to a few seconds. If you don't like the video, you can delete it by clicking on the trash can. If you're satisfied with the video, click on the check mark. Above the video, you can write text as desired. I'll skip that this time. To share the video, choose who will be able to see it. Click on the Share With option here. You have two options. You can share your video with followers who follow you and with close friends. Select the option you want and confirm by clicking on Done. All that's left is to click on Share and your video will be shared on Instagram Note. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials.